Hello students, welcome back to online classes. Hope you all are fit and fine at home. So before the summer vacation I had given you some holiday homework. I hope you all had finished those questions, those work in your fair notebook. So today we will do the remaining questions of exercise 2b. So what is the name of that exercise? The name of the exercise is fraction. So we were on fraction exercise and in that exercise we had done the questions based on BODMAS. Simplification question we had done, and in that simplification questions we had used the rule of BODMAS. So two questions we had already finished. Today we will start from question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Find the value of the following. We have to find the value. First part, 3 whole 3 upon 8 divide 2 whole 13 upon 16. This is the question. So first of all, what we have to do? We have to convert this mixed fraction. This is a mixed fraction. We will change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 8 multiply 3 we will do. 8 3 are 24. In that 24 we have to add this 3. 24 plus 3 will become 27 upon 8 divided by 16 2 are 32. In 32 we have to add 13. So when we will add these two, answer will be 45. So 45 upon 16. Now in the next step what you will do? Here in between these two fraction, divide sign is coming. So whenever divide sign will be there, what you have to do? First fraction we have to write as it is. This divide sign we will convert into multiply. After converting this divide into multiply, the next fraction which is on the right side, that fraction we have to do the reciprocal. So numerator and denominator we will change. 45 upon 16 is given. Here we will take 16 upon 45. Now 8 and 16 both will get cancelled. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. These two also will get cancelled with a table of 9. 9 3 ja 27, 9 5 ja 45. Now next step is we have to multiply these two numerator. 3 multiplied with 2 will become 6 upon 1 multiplied 5 will become 5. Now we will convert this in mixed fraction. 5 1 ja 5, remainder will be 1. That remainder we have to write upside. So 1 whole 1 upon this 5 we have to write in the denominator. So final answer is 1 whole 1 upon 5. So like this you have to do question number 3rd, first part. Now come to next part number 4th. Third question, 4th part. Question is this. First of all, what we will do? We will convert these two mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 12 multiplied 2 when we will do, it will be 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25 upon 2 divide 5 upon 7 as it is we will write of. This mixed fraction also we will convert into improper. So 3 4 ja 12. 12 plus 2 will be 14 upon 3. Now after converting these two mixed fraction, what we will do? BODMAS we have to apply here. BODMAS. B stands for bracket or braces we can write. So here no bracket is given. Next is off. Off is coming here in the question. So what we will do? This off we have to solve first. Off means multiply. So in place of off we have to take multiply sign. Instead of off we will write multiply. We will put here multiply sign, and after that what we will do? These two numbers we will cancel with the same table. 7 1 ja 7, 7 2 ja 14. After cancelling these two, we have to multiply these two fractions. Here one fraction is 5 upon 1, another fraction is 2 upon 3. We will multiply both fraction. So 25 upon 2 divided by 5 multiplied 2 will become 10. 1 multiplied 3 will become 3. Now in the next step what we will do? This divide sign we will convert into multiply sign as I had explained you in the first part of this question. This divide sign we will change into multiply, and the rule is that whenever we will change the divide into multiply, right side fraction we have to do the reciprocal. We have to change it, we have to invert it. इसका reciprocal हो जाएगा. 10/3 means we will write here 3/10. 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. Now on multiplying these two, we will get 5 3 ja 15 upon 2 2 ja 4. Now we will change it into mixed fraction. 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8 we will not take. We will take 4 3 ja 12. Remainder will be 3 upon 4. So final answer of this question number third, fourth part is 3 whole 3/4. Now come to another part, part number sixth part, third question. Bracket 2/3 multiply 1/4 minus 1/12 bracket close divided by 1/2. So this is the question. Board mass we will use here. B stands for braces or bracket. So here bracket is coming, but you will observe that inside this bracket two mathematical operations are coming. First is multiplication and second is subtraction. So again we have to apply board mass. First of all we have to solve the braces, but in the braces two signs are coming, multiply and minus sign. So first of all we will check which thing we have to do first, multiplication or subtraction. So here we will take the help of board mass again. Multiply and subtract. This is multiply and this is subtract. So multiply is coming first, subtract is coming later on. So first of all we have to multiply these two numbers. In order to multiply these two fractions, first of all we will convert, we will cut them, we will cancel them with the same table. 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4. Now we will multiply them. 1 multiply 1 will become 1, 3 multiply 2 will be 6, minus 1/12 bracket close divided 1/2. Now here in the bracket again minus sign is coming, subtraction. We had not done subtraction till now. We here in the previous step we had multiplied. Now we will subtract them. In order to subtract these two fractions we have to take the LCM. LCM we will take 6 and 12. LCM we will take LCM of 6 and 12. If we will take here 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 2 3 ja 6, 3 1 ja. So LCM is coming 3 2 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. So here we will write under the denominator 12. 6 2 ja 12, 2 multiply 1 will be 2, minus 12 1 ja 12, 1 multiply 1 will become 1, divided by 1/2. Now in the next step what we will do? We will subtract them. 2 minus 1 we will do. 2 minus 1 will be 1/12 divided by 1/2. Now bracket sign is removed. Bracket we had already solved. Now next step is this divide we will convert into multiply. So when we will change this divide into multiply, so right hand side integer, right hand side fraction will get reciprocal. So 1/2 is given, we will take here 2/1. These two will get cancelled with the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12, 1 multiply 1 will be 1, 6 multiply 1 will be 6. So final answer is 1/6. So like this you have to do question number third, sixth part. Now see part number 8 of question number third. Eighth part, 2/3 multiply bracket 1/4 minus 1/12 bracket close divided by 1/2. So this is the question. Here again we have to apply the rule of board mass. Board mass we will write here. So first of all braces we have to solve, braces or bracket. So inside the bracket minus is there. So in order to subtract these two fractions we have to take the LCM. So what we will do, rest of the things we will write as it is. In order to subtract these two we have to take the LCM. The shortcut way to take the LCM is These two numbers are coming in a table of 4, so we will cancel them. We will divide them with a table of 4. This is the short way. You can divide it with 2 also, but in order to save time, we will divide it with 4 because both are divisible by 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, and now 3 1 ja 3. So 4 into 3 we will do, then answer will be 12. So LCM we are getting here 12. 4 3 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, minus 12 1 ja 12, 1 multiply 1 will be 1. Now in the next step what we will do, 2 upon 3 multiply 3 minus 1 will be 2 upon 12 divided by 1 upon 2. Now we can remove this bracket. No need to put the bracket here. Why here no bracket is not needed? Because inside the bracket subtraction was there, and that subtraction we had already finished. Now what we will do? We will cancel them with the table of 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 6 ja 12. So here we are getting 2 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 6 divided by 1 upon 2. Now again we will check BODMAS. Here two things are coming, multiply and divide. So this is the multiply and this is divide. So here you will observe that divide is coming first. So we will change this divide sign. No need to multiply them. We will leave them as it is. First of all we will solve this divide. This divide we will convert into multiply, and when we will convert this divide into multiply, the next fraction will get reciprocal. So here we will write 2 upon 1. Now here all the things are in multiply. So what we will do, we will cancel them. 2 3 ja 6. Then nothing will get cancelled now. We will multiply all the numerators. 2 multiply 1 multiply 1 2. 3 multiply 3 multiply 1 9. So final answer of this part is 2 upon 9. Now question number 4. Question number 4, first part, all of you see. Fourth question, first part. 3 whole 1 upon 2 divided by 5 whole 1 upon 7. This is the question. What we will do first? First of all, we will convert the mixed fraction into improper. 3 2 ja 6 and 1, 7 upon 2. This upon we will make little bit longer, larger upon we will make. 7 5 ja 35 plus 1 will be 36 upon 7. So here you will observe two fractions are coming, and between both upon is coming. Upon means divide. So between the two fractions divide sign is coming. So we can write this term as it is like this also. Another way to write this term is like this, 7 upon 2 divided by 36 upon 7. This upon means this upon represent divide only. So this format we can change and we can write like this also. Now you know very well what you have to do here. This divide sign we will convert into multiply, and right side number we have to do the reciprocal. Now nothing is getting cancelled here with the same table, so we will multiply. 7 7 ja 49, 36 2 ja 72. So final answer is 49 upon 72. Now part number 3rd. Fourth question, second and third part are same. Third part you just see. 4 whole 1 upon 6 minus 2 whole 1 upon 3 upon 7 whole 1 upon 8 plus 6 whole 3 upon 4. So you know very well what is the first step. First step is we will change all the mixed fraction into improper. So 6 4 ja 24 plus 1 25 upon 6 minus 3 2 ja 6 and 1 7 upon 3 upon 8 7 ja 56 plus 1 57 upon 8 plus 4 6 ja 24 24 plus 3 27 upon 4. Now what will be the next step? First of all we will take numerator. Numerator means this upper part we have to take. We will write here numerator is 25 upon 6 minus 7 upon 3. Now in order to subtract these two, you know very well we have to take the LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 will be 6 only. 6 1 ja 6, 1 into 25, answer will be 25 minus 3 2 ja 6, 2 into 7 will be 14. When we will subtract them, on subtracting them we will get answer 5 minus 4 will be 1 upon 6. So numerator is solved now. Now we will come to denominator. Here we will write denominator. Denominator is 57 upon 8 plus 27 upon 4. This is the denominator. First of all, what we will do? We will take the LCM. LCM of 8 and 4. 8 and 4. 4 2 ja 8, 4 1 ja 4, 2 1 ja 2. So LCM of 8 and 4 is 8 only. So here we will write 8. 8 1 ja 8, 1 into 57 will be 57 plus 4 2 ja 8, 2 into 27 when we will do, then our answer will be 54. Now we will add them. 7 plus 4 11, 5 plus 5 10 plus 1 11 upon 8. So here what you had observed, we had done numerator as well as denominator. We had solved both numerator and denominator. Now what we have to do, in place of this we have to write the numerator answer. Upon, we will write here larger upon. In place of this we have to write the answer of this denominator 1 upon 8. Now what is the next step? Here we can write like this also, as we had done in the fourth question first part. 11 upon 6 we will write as it is. This upon represent divide, so we will put a divide sign. In 111 upon 8. Now in order to change this divide into multiply, 11 upon 6 multiply, this number will get reciprocal, 8 upon 111. These two will get cancelled, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Now nothing will get cancelled. Here nothing will get cancelled, so what we will do, we will just multiply. 11 4 ja 44, 3 into 111 will be 333. So final answer we are getting here is 44 upon 333. So like this you have to do fourth question third part. Now rest of the parts I will explain in the next video. So your homework is, you all have to finish up to question number 4, part number 4.